What's up everybody, welcome to the Phase Reviews YouTube channel. My name is Jordan and today it is video 3, the final video in my series on Hercules stands device holder reviews, and this one is going to be my favorite. Today we're taking a look at this folding laptop stand. As a DJ I've used a lot of different laptop stands, and as a student I've tried even more, and this is hands down the most robust and durable and well built stand I've ever tried in my life. Today, I'm gonna unbox it, show you everything that comes inside the package, talk about the important specs and features, give you a demo of it, of course, and then let you know whether or not I think it's worth picking up for yourself. Before we dive into things, make sure that you subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss any other reviews I've got coming down the pipeline. Go back and watch the videos that I've done on these other awesome Hercules stands products. Leave a comment, like the video. All of that helps me to keep bringing you content each and every week. But enough about that, let's take a look at this Hercules stands laptop stand. So let's dive into the unboxing. Now, this is the DG400BB. That's the model number. I don't know how they come up with these. This is their folding laptop stand, and it's the product that I'm most excited to look at. I've used a lot of folding laptop stands in my life. Some really good ones, a lot very expensive ones. This is absolutely my favorite, and it's replacing all the other ones that I have in my office and my DJ bag. First things first, you're gonna get the product itself, but you do get a user manual. This is actually handy because it's not very intuitive how to set this up the first time, so you can watch this video or you can read this and refer to it when you undoubtedly have to learn it. After 1 or 2 times, you'll know, but it takes a second. This bag is awesome. Fabric, good zipper, got the Hercules branding on it. I didn't know this came with it, and I love that they included it. Keeps it protected and scratch-free while you're transporting it. Now, opening it up, just like every other Hercules stands products I reviewed, so amazing quality-wise. All metal except for kind of the rubber feet right here and the covers at the bottom. This one really is all metal. It is the heaviest laptop stand I've reviewed, but also the most robust, so it's a trade-off. This thing can support up to 22 pounds, so even the beefiest gaming computer you have, this is gonna hold it up no sweat. It has adjustable height and adjustable angle, and really it's just the best one that I've used. I don't have really anything else to say. The stand itself weighs in at 3 pounds, so like I mentioned, not lightweight, but I mean 3 pounds, you should be able to carry 3 pounds, right? Even in a backpack, it's a drop in the bucket compared to your textbooks, for example. When it's folded, it comes in at 14 inches long, 6.9 inches wide, and 2.6 inches thick. To set this up, what you need to do is come on the back side and loosen these two knobs right here, okay? Loosen those a bit so that you can fold out the legs, which have the colored caps right here, and the actual stand. Once you've got those folded out, then you just want to tighten these back down before you do anything else. It will make the setup process a lot easier, okay? Now you spread the legs right there at the bottom, and you spread the top portion, and that is the setup process. So again, loosen the knobs, open it up, tighten it back down, and then spread open the legs and the arms. Now this has 3 height settings, 8.6, which is the lowest, 10.4, and 12.4. To adjust them, all you need to do is tilt this back and then roll this up the ramp right there. And so that's the top setting. It just rests on top like that. That is the massive 12.4 inches high. If we go down 1, that's gonna be your 10.4, and then down a little more, that's your 8.6. So, you know, plenty of height adjustability if you've got to get it over like a case that you're kind of slotting this under. These are low profile feet, so for example, if you're a DJ, you want to slot this under your mixer case, you've got the height to do that if you need to come up a little bit more. Once you've got it set up, you can adjust the angle of the arms by loosening the knob. You can also adjust the angle of the vertical column right here, again, to kind of fit it into whatever space or application that you have in mind. Now, I've got my laptop here just to kind of show you a size comparison. This is a 15-inch laptop, and setting this on the stand, it is just so securely in those rubber feet. This one kind of goes a little bit, hangs over maybe like an inch on each side. So, you know, you could go up to a 17 or I don't know how big laptops are. So do they come in 19s? But 17 easily would still be very well supported. If you want to use a smaller laptop, I think, could you fold these in? Maybe not. So you just kind of keep them all the way out. But a 13 would probably still be setting, you know, within the boundaries of the feet me, it would not fall through. I don't know if you can go smaller than a 13, but you could definitely go up in size for sure. Again, this is a 15-inch for a size comparison. All in all though, this is my favorite product from this line. It's super well built, it's super flexible, it's something I could use every day, whether for work or for DJing in my business. This is something that everyone could use. If you don't even need to put your laptop at a height to get around a case like a DJ would, this is just good for relieving some strain in your neck, getting it up to a good viewing angle, and at the same time, you can fold it down and slip it in pretty much any bag. So if you want to check out this in more depth, I'll include a link down in the description. You can go view it there. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe and like the video, ring the notification bell, leave a comment. All of those help me to keep bringing you content each and every week. That's going to be it for today though. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.